Ever wondered what it's like to fly to Bangkok in July? Join me as I take you from the Pags Lounge in Manila to the bustling Suvarnabhumi Airport. You won't want to miss the exclusive tips and sneak peeks. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is January, and in my channel, I talk about chill travels in between budget and luxury. Today, I'll be taking you along on my journey from Manila to Bangkok. We'll start at the Pags Lounge in Naiya Terminal 3, then we'll hop on a Thai Airways economy flight, and I'll show you the full experience. Finally, we'll land at Suvarnabhumi Airport and navigate through the arrivals process. Stay until the end to see how easily you can get Michelin quality food as soon as you're checked in at your hotel. So buckle up guys, and let's get this adventure started. Hi guys, we're back at the airport and on our way to Bangkok for an 8-day trip with the family. Namiss ko mag-vlog. Ano tinanong sa'yo, Christian?
Sabi, sino yung kasama niya? Sabi ko, tapos tinawag ko si Sir.
So guys, we're done with immigration. Nandito tayo sa airline lounge. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami tatambay. Not sure kung sa A-Lounge or sa Pags kami. But anyways, I'll show you lang kung saan to sa T3. Yung A-Lounge, guys. Diyan yung A-Lounge. Sa banda roon naman yung Pags at saka Marhaba. Okay? So, yung airline lounges are on top of dito sa may mga time coordinates. 131, 134. There. So, we're gonna go now. Sa kabila, guys, ayan o. Nandun ang mga Wendy's. So, yun guys. Ang init dito sa T3. But na-miss kong mag-vlog. Na-miss ko yung ganitong style ng vlogging, guys. Na-miss ko rin mag-travel. Ang tagal ko hindi nag-travel. Yung last alis ko was May pa. Like early May, tapos tigang tayo ng buong month of June. Tapos ito, mid-July na. Ngayon pa lang tayo makaka-travel ulit. But I'm super happy, super excited that we're here at the airport. We're back in the airport. Yan. Guys, alam mo, ang dami na pala ditong ano. Ngayon ko lang din napansin. Kasi hindi kami madalas sa T3. Madalas kami sa T1. Tanan nyo ha, may mga bath and body na dyan, ganun. Ayun mo, guys, ayan o. Mga Bath and Body Works na pala dito sa airport. So yun nga guys, no, hindi ko nakwento sa inyo yung reason namin bakit kami bumabalik-balik sa Bangkok. Basta ano na lang, without giving too much details, we're going to Bangkok for a treatment for medical reasons. Wala namang serious na sakit sa amin, ano. But yeah, we're going there for some sort of treatment. And yan, so we need to go there like every 6 to 8 months. So yeah, tapos every punta naman namin doon, we have to be there for at least a week. Yung treatment kasi doon will need us to be there for at least 5 days. And the whole trip minus the plane ticket were arranged by the clinic. So sila ng lahat, pati hotel, lahat, pati food namin sa breakfast kasama, pati transportation. So sila na yon. Air tickets na lang yung binayaran namin. Yung marhaba, no? Kung makita na yung Seattle's Best sa baba, sa taas na yung Marhaba Lounge. Okay, so let's go inside!
Been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all and it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the
left. Oh. Yan yung ano, minsan security check. Dito kami lagay ng shoes. Yan, sakto. Dito yung lounges. Yan guys, punta na kami sa boarding gate. Talaga dito sa NAIA ay napakainit. Ito, at least malamig-lamig dito sa part na to. Guys, yun sa pag sa lounge, napakainit. Parang hindi lounge. But okay naman. Okay maghintay doon. Alam nyo guys, ang reklamo ko lang dito talaga sa airport, bukod sa mainit kulang yung mga signs, yung parang panghuhulain ka sa ang boarding gate namin. Napakahirap. kami sa loob ng plane. We already boarded. The flight was supposedly at 12:55. Boarding completed. Nasinig na yan, guys. So, yeah. So, the flight was delayed. Konti lang naman. We're supposed to fly at 12:55 but naging 1:25 siya. I thought 3 hours, 30 minutes yung flight. Yung pala, parang mga 2 hours lang. So, 3:15, ando na kami.
You're driving me mad. You burn like a fire. I'm so goddamn naive. I keep coming back 'cause you're taking me higher. Higher than I've ever been before. Then you let me down again. Close the door.
So yun guys, while inside the plane, kailangan kong gumamit ng microphone kasi baka hindi nyo ako marinig. Kaya yan, sana narinig nyo, no? Sana malinaw sa inyo to. But sobrang delayed yung flight namin. Akala ko yung 1:25 ay delayed na ano. Hindi, nasa around 2:20 na rin kami nakaalis ng Manila. So yun, I don't know what time we're gonna arrive kasi kanina yung 2 hours 53 minutes nag-i-increase. So kanina kung umalis kami ng mga 1:40, 2 hours 53 minutes. Tapos parang napansin ko later on, naging 2 hours 59 minutes. So, ewan ko ngayon kung anong oras na kami dadating.
Prawn rice or chicken with pasta.
I'll get chicken with pasta.
You're driving me mad. You burn like a fire. Now you're calling again. Sugarcoat everything, but it doesn't make it sweeter. We wake up in my bed. I forget what you did, but it doesn't make things easier. You're fucking with my head again. I believe in every word you say, baby. Now you're calling again. Sugarcoat everything, but the truth still tastes as bitter.
Straight coffee. Alam nyo guys, yung coffee, ano lang naman to, simple na brewed, no? Hindi rin siya yung sobrang sarap, pero nakaka-comfort. Na mainit kasi siya, na maligam-gam sa sikmura. So, ang sarap. Guys, kwento muna ako sa inyo kasi medyo ang dalas ng turbulence. Alam nyo, napansin ko yan in my recent flights, no? Parang ang dalas-dalas na malikot yung ride, yung flight. The worst na na-experience ko was yung sa Singapore. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko, my Lafang friends. Shout out to Lawrence and Tara. So kami magkakasama, napunta kami ng Singapore last year. Yung pauwi, Diyos ko, talaga ang turbulence. Hawak kamay kaming tatlo. Sabay, ang Tanda at Rosario. Dahil ang turbulence doon, parang lumalagpak. As in, pa-jump. Hindi siya shakes to the side. Siya, ganun. Vertical. Parang mag-jump. As in, that was the worst. Anyways, ngayon, dito naman sa flight namin sa Bangkok, hindi naman kasing bad. Pero maalog. As in, maalog. Pag ganun pa naman, alam niyo, wala naman ako anxiety sa mga ganito na pagsasakay ng plane, pag nagda-travel. Pero ang turbulence, kakaibang kaba yung dala niya sa akin, guys. So, yan. Pag ganitong malikot, kinakabahan talaga ako.
Here we go again. I think I might lose it. I try playing it cool, but you have your ways. You know what you do. I'm higher than I've ever been before. Then you let me down again. Close the door. Yeah.
Baggage claim 14. So guys, we're now here in Bangkok. My goodness, it was the most uncomfortable flight because it was so hot. Parang hindi naman sira yung aircraft. Merong portions of the plane that had like decent aircon. Pag doon sa amin sa likod, sobrang init. Kasi tagaktak talaga yung pawis ko. Nako. But we're finally here. And syempre, first order of business upon reaching the airport is toilet. first order of business is toilet.
Tapos if domestic flight punta kayo ng Shanghai, Phuket, so dyan kayo. Okay? So dito na tayo. Okay? Ito pala makikita nyo na meron sila yung mga SIM cards. So yan, ako naman guys, kaka-activate ko lang ng eSIM from Klook. So yan, let's go.
Excuse me, one shop. Say hi! Say hi to the vlog!
Interested kayo guys? Cosmetic Surgery Hospital.
Yes! So, we're here in Thailand. And I'm really excited to take you along with me, guys. Namiss ko mag-vlog! Super namiss ko mag-vlog. Guys, napakahaba ng walk-a-lator dito papunta sa immigration mula dun sa arrival gate. Napakahaba. Hanggang ngayon, naglalakad pa rin kami. Kaya pala pag pumupunta dito si Kim Son Ho, pag may fan meet, palagi siyang gumagamit niya, no, ng buggy. Kasi napakahabang lakarin, guys. But anyways, we're almost there.
Now, immigration to the right.
Eh, ang bilis namin. First time ko in Thailand na sobrang bilis ng immigration because it's usually mahabang pila. Actually, we were even thinking of getting the fast track VIP service. Pero buti na lang hindi ko kinuha. But for sure, sa departure, I will need the VIP fast track. So, dito lang tayo sa carousel. We're waiting for our bags. Sakto, paglabas namin ng invitation, it's the carousel already. It's carousel number 14.
Ito pong maleta na to ay kanina buo pa yan, ano. Pero ayun na, bago umalis sa bahay, nasira to. Nahulog kasi, so naalis yan. Aligga kami sa aming mga gamit. Kasama ko ngayon ay 3 boys. So, ayan, we're ready. Pwede na itong isakay. Sakay mo na lang to dyan. Yay! Yan sa taas. So, yan guys. This is the Thailand, Bangkok Airport. Okay, gonna go out now. Hi!
Yay! We're now here at the airport and we're gonna ride the van.
Ito yung arrivals sa airport.
And nandito na yung aming sundo, yung van from the hotel. This was arranged by yung sa clinic, no? So, sakay na lang kami dyan.
Ay, e-pack. Yun yung 5G na where you can get your SIM card. So, yung e-pack. And then, just beside e-pack is the money exchange. So, dito kami nagpapalit ng money. Tapos, sa may gate 5 yan. No? And then over here naman yung mga vans ng hotel. So like kami sa Holiday Inn. So that's where we met up with the staff of Holiday Inn.
Tapos guys, kung gusto nyo namang mag-withdraw direct from the ATM, dito na kayo mag-withdraw sa ATM, direct na yan na into Thai baht. I think pwede din dito yung GCash card eh, pero hindi ko pa na-try. Kasi they accept Visa, Mastercard. So I think pwede dito yung GCash card. So kwento lang guys. So yun nga, may dala akong pesos, may dala akong US dollars, tapos lahat ng mga loose money ko from my other travel. So I have Malaysian ringgit, I have Singapore dollar, Hong Kong dollar, I also have Korean won. Pero hindi ko pinalit yung Singapore kasi magagamit ko pa yan. Hong Kong dollar, hindi nila tinanggap kasi small bill. Malaysian ringgit tinanggap nila, so napalitan ko pa. About 3,000 baht din yan eh. But the Korean won, hindi ko na rin pinalit. Kasi yung Korean won, magagamit ko pa yun sa Korea. So there.
Now we're going to the van. Wansha!
Yes! Guys, it's not so hot. Finally, like a pleasant weather. Kasi July ngayon eh. So baka pag July, hindi ganun kainit. Kasi usually pag lalabas ako dito, March, o kaya kahit nga November, December dito, mainit eh. Parang nalilimahit ka. Ito, pleasant. Hindi naman malamig. Pati di rin siya yung limahit levels. So yeah, let's go to the van. So guys, it's our van. Wait lang. Okay. Iwan na lang. Yung kay Wancho na lang bitbitin. Okay? Ayakit na lang. Thank you. Thanks. I'm gonna sit here. Hi, Wancho. Sit here. There, Mr. Wancho. Yay!
Holiday in Bangkok. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, Kam.
Thank you. So guys, ayan na, nakasakay na tayo sa van papuntang Holiday Inn. Wait lang, ang daming motor. Ang daming motor. Oh, tama ba nakikita ko? Wala kasi akong salamin eh. Motor at kotse. Hindi, nandito. Hindi ko nasuot. Akala ko na wala na naman ang salamin ko. Ano pakiramdam mo, Kristan?
Masaya po.
Anong tinanong sa'yo ng immigration?
Kanina. Sabi sino daw po yung kasama ko. Sabi ko mga boss ko.
Tinuro mo. Sana tinuro mo si Wancho.
Kanina nga, tinuro. Para di siya maniwala.
Boss! 45 minutes daw from the airport to get to the hotel. Yay! Guys, ayan ano, may konting ambon. Kita nyo, di ba? Umaambon-ambon. Pero ganyan lang siya. Yan na yung nasa weather app na precipitation something. Pag ganyan-ganyan lang, sana walang bagyo, ano. Yun lang naman ang ayaw natin yung may bagyo. Pero pagka ganyang tika-tik lang yung ulan, okay lang, carry lang yan. Guys, nasa biyahe pa kami. At iniisip ko na kung ano yung kakainin ko. Kainin namin, tutok na kami. Pero ayaw muna namin lumabas kasi papahinga muna. Kaya first, orderin namin ay sa Grab. At alam nyo guys, papakita ko yan sa isang vlog. Lahat ng pwede mong ma-order na Michelin food via Grab, gagawa natin ng vlog yan. So tonight, round 1 agad tayo. Michelin food ang orderin natin sa Grab. Iisip ko pa lang eh, gutom na ako. Excited na ako mag-Grab. Tapos baba rin tayo mamaya sa 7-Eleven. Tingin tayo ng mga pwedeng mga snacks na iakyat sa hotel. Meron kasing 7-Eleven dun sa babala ng hotel. Nandito na tayo sa may Central Embassy. So, yan guys, yung Central Embassy. Malapit lang to sa hotel. Hotel, siguro mga 400 meters na lang from here. Kaya lang traffic guys eh. And guys, eto na yung intercon, ano? Bale, katabi lang yan sa kabilang side yung Holiday Inn. Ito nga pala yung Gaysorn Village sa left. So yan, dito lang. Ayan na yung 7-Eleven doon. 24 hours. Ayun no? Kita mo yun? That's the 7-Eleven. Pagkanan, yun na yung Holiday Inn. And that's the 7-Eleven.
Welcome.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. First meal in Bangkok. In-order namin yan sa Grab. Dito guys. Dito namin siya in-order. Hindi ko alam basahin to kasi Thai characters. But I feel like this is similar to soy polo chicken. Or baka ito na si soy polo chicken. Guys, kung nagutom na kami, tatapusin ko na yung vlog dito. Kakain na kami ng dinner. Say bye to the vlog! Bye! Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hotel room tour naman ang susunod. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!